Okay, all right. So just a quick walkthrough of your website. So we've already logged in. You know the process of logging into the backend. So these are the things that you see. And so I'm just going to start by page edit first. So you come here, you hover on this home, so you can see visit site. So I've built a site for you to be able to like edit it on a front end. So I'll start with the home page. Let's say you want to make some edits to the home page. So it's just easy for you to come here and do edit with page builder. So you allow it to load. So when it comes here like this, there are some elements that will show you. Just ignore it. So let's say for example you want to change any content here. You get so, or you want to change an image, or you want to change this hyperlink, which I'm going to be showing you. So you come here, you hover. So each of these things are called, so they are called sections. So this entire place is called a section, and in this section there are 3 columns here, and in each of these columns there are different elements. So there's a title element, there's another title element, there's a button group element here. So if you want to change this element here, this title element, you hover on it. You can see this icon here like a tool. You click it, you can see edit option. It's gonna load up, and you can add any content here. So this is the title. You can see become volunteer is like your title. Then join our growing family. So whatever you want to like change it to, if you want to like maybe change any content here. So so let's say for example you want to add another full stop, so you can save and close. So that is going to save and close, and you can see the double full stop here. So you go to edit, and that is how you do the edit. Then you save and close. Okay, cool. So there's another so here in this column here there's a media container here. So let's say you want to change the image that is here. So I advise any image you want to use here, because of the text, you use an image that is dark, or that the opacity is darker. So you can come to your to the media container. Then you come to background and styles. You can see your image here, so you can select your image. So when you select your image, you can either, if you have an image already on the computer, you select that image that you have uploaded, and if you don't have any image uploaded, you hover here, you can see behind you, you can see upload file. So you can come to here, select file. So this will open up your dashboard for you, and you can upload any image that you want to use there. So let's say for example we want to use this image. So then you do insert. When you insert the image, you can see the ignore every other thing that is here. Then you save and close. When you save and close, you can see how the image is showing now and the text is showing. Same way, if you want to edit any of these things, the same process we did here. Excuse me. You come to title element, you do your edits, and you save and close. Yeah, so that's for this section. If you want to do any edits, the same process goes with here. If you want to, maybe about the foundation, there are some things that you want to like change in terms of maybe the foundation is getting bigger. You just need to come here and do edit. You add every other information that you want to add here in this section. You save and close as well. Now, one thing I want you to know is that everything that you are saving here is not going to show in the front end. When I mean front end, So this is more like the back end here. So this is more like the back end here that you are doing this edit. So any edits that you make here, if you notice that this image here, even if you refresh the page, the image is not showing here. What you need to do is after you've done your edits, you come here under this your WhatsApp button. There is a published button here. So this green button here is published. So once you click it, you will see the way you see page saved successfully. Now if you go to the front end here and you refresh, you will now see the image changed. So that is how you do that. So for every edit that you make after you save, make sure that you publish. So this green button that is hiding behind the WhatsApp button. So same way you can just, you want to change any figure, maybe the life impacted has increased to 5,000. All you need to do is this, a number from 0 starts from 0. So let's say 2,500. So 2,500. As I said, save and close. And I said anything that you save here, if you do not click publish, it's not going to show. So you can see 200,000 is still here. Even if you reload the page, it's not going to show. But once you click publish, then it's going to show at the front end. So that is how you do it. Same way you want to change this image here. So you come here. So this is just an image box. Let's say you have another image that you would like to use at that front page. Yeah, so you just pick any image that you like. Let's say you want to, change. You have another image or a better image you want to use at that section. Let me just try and see. Let me just use this or this. Either ways, as I said, you can just depending on the image that you want to use. So all you need to do is click insert. The image is show here, then you save and close. Once you save and close, it's going to update here as the image that you choose. So if I don't save it now and I come here, it's not going to impact anything. As I said from the beginning, all you need to do, once you just go to save at the back end. Okay, alright, so let's keep moving. Alright, so the same way you want to change any content here, this is the button that is leading to the donate page. Same way what we do is a title element. Just so this is like the full section has different columns here that you can edit any of the content. Same way, once you hover on any of these contents here, is to show you. Once you click that, you can see you can just save. That is how you do that. Same way here is simple as well. You want to change anything, title elements. Now for here, if you want to change this image that is here, so I was trying to explain a section. So this is a full section here. So you have to change the image from here, this section. Come to style and option. So image, select image, then you can add whatever image that you want to add into that place. Save and close. So that section is going to change, and you can see together we can make a difference. Yeah, so I'm just gonna revert back to your old image, since that is your original image. I can't remember the right image that was used at that section. So to avoid that, I'm just gonna reload that page so I won't choose the wrong image here. yeah, so same process. When you want to change the theme, you can do that yourself now. So it's a theme box. All you need to do is to go to the edits. You can see it here, the name, the position. If you want to have a description, select image, save. Same process. You want to change any team members, and if you want to add a team member, so the process is very simple. So just come to this last row here, and over on this row on the column, then just duplicate the column. This last row over here, clone element, is going to duplicate it for you here, so you have it here. Then you come to the theme box, then you can change the name of the person that you want to add. So let's say you want to add Gabriel. Show them there as product manager. Then you select an image. So if you have the image on your computer, as I said, you can upload. And if you have the image already here, select image and insert. Save and close. Then the team member is going to change here. You get once you save, it's going to show in the front end. And if you want to delete this guy as well, the X remove elements, then it's going to, are you sure you want to remove this element? Yes, I'm sure. You click it and that is gone. Okay, cool. So I've taught you how to change this. You come to the section and you change elements. Okay, so so this is a part that I think you have more questions. So I'm going to explain how this works for you. So what I did here is called a smart slider. So it works based on loop. So if you have, excuse me, you have any upcoming events, so all you need to do is just to clone this. So can you see this media container? So there are two media containers here. Just to make it easy for you, forget about the complexity or anything. All you need to do is just to click this first one that is here and clone it. Now once you clone it, what happens is this is going to move to this section. Okay, sorry.